You had a balloon nightmare.
Okay, so your shape will match. These are so big. Oh my word. Okay.
I mean, I had a dream last night
that
mine popped.
Oh, me too. The night before, I got up and I was like, did something pop? And I ran to the garage.
I went to sleep at 12:30 a.m. last night. I worked yesterday all day on those.
Me too.
And then I went to sleep, and it was like probably like around one something. I heard boom.
Me too.
And I was like,
so
oh
weird.
my God. So I literally get up out of my fucking bed. I'm sorry, excuse the language.
Out of my beep, beep, beep bed.
And went downstairs, and I saw it, and I said, thank you, Jesus.
You had a nightmare.
I had a nightmare.
I ran to the
garage. My husband is like, why she didn't get those? Remember the ones that we have? And why you didn't get those? Easy. With the air, just like that. I said, because I opened my mouth and I said I was going to do it.
And then they just go, we can do it. We can do it.
That is hilarious.
No, we can do a 4, but then she said, let's go to the store and go get some every single little size. I was like, thank you, Jesus didn't have all the size, because otherwise I would have been like 30 of them.
These are so funny.
My husband is like, are you sure you guys, this is next week. What are you talking about?
I know.
But I know. I said, you can do it. It just, I said, okay.
So let's talk about game plan.
What was Crystal's game plan? Did they finish in time? Wondering how the party turned out? Find out on the next episode of Crafty Convos.